Hi, I'm Leah Soto-Graham, Marketing Manager at Goodwill of Central and Northern Arizona. Goodwill Flip is a DIY contest that we hosted this past fall where we encouraged Goodwill shoppers in our community to come out, shop Goodwill, buy things that might be in need of, refurbishment that could be made into something else and turn them into something amazing. Everyone has their favorite Goodwill store that they shop. It becomes their store. It's such a sense of community. When you go out, you get to know, the teams that are in your store. And this project was really a way for us to, show off those great finds and those great creations from people within our own community. So we highlighted them on our Facebook page, they're on our website. We really got to show what everyone right here in our town and our community was creating.
Hi, my name is Melissa Shoulders and I'm a huge Goodwill shopper. I love shopping at Goodwill. I love it because you never know what you're going to find. It's like a garage sale any time of the day, anywhere you are, you just go into a Goodwill and you can find anything. There's lots of items that are new that maybe somebody decided they didn't want it. They're giving it a new life by donating it to Goodwill. So you just never know who you're going to meet and what you're going to find.
Our goal for Goodwill Flip was to highlight the amazing work that our shoppers do when they find things that are repurposed, refurnished. It's amazing the things that come in. It's amazing what you can find at Goodwill ready to go on any day, and then when you turn it into something new, it's a fantastic thing.
I've been crafting, repurposing, refinishing things since June of this past summer. I started out taking a coffee table and turning it into a dog bed, and then I just went from there. Did end tables, buffets, bookshelves, anything I could get my hands on to paint. I heard about the Goodwill project in the beginning of November. I was shopping at the store on 35th and Peoria, and when I was checking out, there was a flyer taped to the checkout. And I read the rules and all the specs on the contest, and I thought, I can enter this. This is something I want to do. And so that began my hunt for the perfect piece. The thing that led me to repurpose the piece that I entered in the contest, I collect ironstone, and I knew I wanted something to display the ironstone. I was more looking for bookshelves, but I couldn't find exactly what I wanted. And then I found the top of a curio that had broken glass. It didn't really have a purpose, and I looked at it and it was beautiful. The shape of it was beautiful, and I thought I could make something beautiful out of it.
Shopping Goodwill is always an adventure. We encouraged our community to go out, shop the stores, see what they could find, and see what really inspired them. So to find those pieces that they thought could be made into something new and to give it new life.
What inspires me to decorate my home with Goodwill pieces is I love turning old furniture into something new and repurposing things, making something not so beautiful into something beautiful again. And there's some beautiful things at Goodwill if somebody would be willing to give them a little bit of care and put some time into it.